Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a real account on Exness. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Exness app on your device. 2. Click on the drop-down arrow at the top of the screen. 3. Select the plus icon to add a new account. 4. Choose Real Account from the options. 5. Wait for it to load, then click Continue. 6. Select your preferred currency. Enter your account name and set the leverage. 7. Once you're done, click Continue. 8. Now, create a strong password for your account and click Continue again. Your new real account will be created, and you'll see it listed on your screen. To switch between accounts, just click on the drop-down arrow and choose the account you want to switch to, whether it's another real account or a demo account. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.